We have for the discussion Professor Clarisse Evenot from France. And what can I say regarding Professor Clarisse Evenot? I work with you a lot of times, and I like that. And now you're the youngest woman professor in digestive surgery in France. So congratulations for that. And I will be happy to hear you regarding that topic that you know.
Thank you, Professor Pocard. Thank you, Jimmy. Thank you, Professor So, for the invitation. And I'm very glad to be here, very honored. And thank you, Dr. Oshigami, for your marvelous talk and to share your experience with us. And I have some comments. So first, for the Phoenix trial that compare in palliative settings the use of IP chemotherapy against oral and IV chemotherapy. So in this trial, there is 75% of patients treated in first line, and almost all the patients had diffuse gastric carcinomatosis. In the first analysis, there is no difference between the two groups. But when we analyze the group with the IP treatment, we can see that they have more advanced disease with more ascites and also an higher median PCI. So when we adjust the results on ascites, we see clearly that there is a difference in survival. Patients in IP treatment had better response, as you mentioned, and you show us, and there is a very good response in overall survival. So when we think about PIPAC, which is a new device, another type of device because it's not so new now, that allows to do IP treatment and repeatedly. I show you here the last big study from the group of Olivier Gléhen, published by Mohamed Aliami, and you can see that there is an overall survival of 19 months. Patients had more advanced disease with less treatment in first line, and mean PCI of 17. But we can see that there is also some difficulty in repeated peritoneal access with only 30% of the patients that had more than 3 PIPAC. So what can we discuss? What could be the next step? So first, this is our trial in France, PIPAC ESTOC number 1. Maybe there will be number 2, but the first one was very difficult to do. So this is for peritoneal disease of gastric cancer with PCI higher than 8. And we will compare, we are comparing IV chemotherapy only and PIPAC with IV chemotherapy. We will we want to do 3 PIPAC, and we will see if we can do 3 PIPAC for the treatment. And there is laparoscopy for the final assessment. So for the moment, we have all patients, synchronous or metachronous peritoneal disease, all kind of line, first line, second line. And we have already randomized 11 patients on the 95 we need. The second step could be to analyze the international cohort studies on PIPAC that is processing currently. 19 experience centers with more than 60 procedures. And so we will analyze more than 600 patients, and we will discuss all the data on survival results, synchronous, metachronous patients. All the patients will be analyzed. This is the largest study on PIPAC. And the third point is a Pegasus study, which is led by Olivier Garbura, and we will compare the two bidirectional treatment, IV versus PIPAC, IP, versus PIPAC, and we will do a propensity score match cohort on classical factor to discuss if IP treatment is better than PIPAC. So what about curative settings? So Dr. Ishigami just show us the almost 100 patients treated with repeated IP application of chemo, and almost 80% of the patients had advanced disease, P2 and P3 carcinomatosis. And with IP application, he was able to operate them, and with complete cytoreductive surgery in 65% of the patients. And we can see here that the overall survival is very good, more than 30 months for the median rate. So what about IPEC? When we can analyze IPEC for the CITOSHIP study that has been published by Olivier Glen and all people in France, that has been published in 2018. And for the patient with a lower tumor burden, because the mean PCI was 6, the patient were treated by perioperative chemotherapy in half of them, and complete cytoreductive surgery was achieved in almost 80%. And what we can see is that IPEC, the adjunction of IPEC did do better than cytoreductive surgery alone, but we can see that we achieve 19 months of overall survival. So maybe there is an advantage to repeat IP chemo instead of a single shot of IPEC. And what about the preventive setting? So we just saw the Phoenix trial, number 2, for patients with locally advanced gastric cancer, with or without cytology positive. And we can see that we are analyzing the effect. We will compare the effect of IP chemotherapy and IV and oral chemotherapy in adjuvant settings if cytology is negative, or if in perioperative settings if cytology is positive. And this is the same patients that are currently studied in the clinical trials GastriShip that is almost completed, that is analyzing the effect of adjunction of IPEC after radical gastrectomy. So it's radical gastrectomy only or with IPEC. So we will compare the results. So in conclusion, various type of patients, there is a lot of stage of disease, low and very high tumor burden. Numerous type of IP treatment can be done, and also numerous type of therapeutic strategies. So for the best of our patients, we should inspire from each other and compare our results and create new strategies. Thank you.
Thank you, Clarisse. Thank you very much. Seems that a lot of you are asking to have new strategy, and we need in the future to have some answer. I have one question for you, Professor Ishigami, and after I think we can ask the question from the group, from the people that see this webinar. But my question is quite simple. No difficulty to give intraperitoneal chemotherapy to patients that have been operated before. They have no specific pain or no specific abdominal difficulty?
Yeah, no pain or no difficulty at all, because paclitaxel is a very safe drug for IP at this lower level. Compared with paclitaxel, docetaxel sometimes causes pain, dull pain in abdominal cavity. So paclitaxel is the best drug for repeated IP using POT.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Jimmy, did we have some question from the group?
Yeah, I think because of the time, I think we will answer it through the chat. I think we should move on.